Welcome to Life and Creativity. I'm in Golconda. Wonderful mystery of sound. How can that be possible? We are here. There are two corners. Let me show you. There's two corners. This is one corner, and then that is another corner. So we have my daughter and friend. They're trying to talk from one corner, basically whisper, and then they are able to hear it in the other corner. So that's the mystery. How can this? They can hear it so far with just little bit of words which is hardly audible for anybody. This was used for trade and all those business that days where they can communicate easily between the people who are in the room. It's just amazing. Imagine that kind of technology even today we can't build. We use cell phones, but this is next level of that. Let me just show you to hear it. Okay, say something there. She's saying, let me try to hear. And you too.
Hi.
You can hear that? Hi. Hi. भूख लगी है क्या? हेलो मिष्टू, भूख लगी है क्या? भूख लगी है? हाँ. So this is how it is. I was speaking so loud and she is there, that corner. Say hi. And they're still able to hear it. This is just amazing. So that's where the king sits and do the judgment. And you cannot see the king as a culprit. This is where the culprit stands. And we'll show you how Javed Sahib is going to do sound, and that is audible to everybody. See this.
Wow.
You hear this? This is basically made.
You can't see the Badshah, but Badshah can see.
Yeah. And this is made so that people who make any try to kill the king or do try any harm, then the sound will come from their cloth and you can be easily caught. That's how the technology is built. I'll show you the boom of it, how they made the rope and how the sounds reflects from this. This is just the next level of technology in another sense. Wish we could really explore those more. जावेद साहब से मिलेंगे। जावेद साहब, ये जो अभी हमने देखा वो क्यों यूज़ होता था?
सब वो बड़े लोग हैं बोलते हैं ना, दीवारों के भी कान होते हैं। अगर अपन किसी की बुराई कर रहे कुछ भी बोल रहे तो अब ये जो गुनगुना रहे, ये जो आवाज़ है बादशाह जहाँ बैठते वहाँ पे, तो बड़े लोग इसका देख के बोले कि दीवारों के भी कान होते हैं। ये आवाज़ उनके बेडरूम तक पहुँचता।
अच्छा, This is just beautiful. Look at the infrastructure, the way they build it. यहाँ से आई है बात, दीवारों की भी कान होते हैं. And it's true. It seems to be very true now. Amazing place. The Golconda, Hyderabad.